Hi, I'm Sue from Sue's Creative Workshop, and I'm going to show you how to make a holiday stationery gift box. For my project, I'm using Eileen's extra large card box die and paper from Simple Stories Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge collection. My trick to putting the paper onto the mat board is to use my Xyron Creative Station. It puts a full layer of adhesive on the back of the paper and it makes it stick really well. To do that, I just stick it in the machine, crank the handle through, and the paper comes out the other side. Use the blade to cut it. Peel it back. You have adhesive on the whole back. I stick it onto my mat board and it's ready to go through my Big Shot. I went ahead and put paper on both sides. I'm going to use the plaid for my outside, so you're going to, when you go to cut it, you're going to put it on design side down. For Eileen's die, you're going to need to use the extender plates. You put the die down on the extender plate. You put the mat board down, design side down. Put the other plate down and run it through. Now the die also comes with the side pieces, and I went ahead and cut those out for you. And I put different colors from the collection on each side. The die comes with these little score lines here. You're going to fold on the outer score line on both sides. These also make a great little book cover too. The bottom or the sides come with two areas that you score on each side. And there's all kinds of different ways that you can adhere it together, your box together, but I like to use rapid fuse adhesive. I'm going to do one side at a time. I put a little bit on my bottom and on one of my sides, and I stick it on to the bottom of the die and close just one side. Actually, I'm going to cheat. I'm only do one side at a time. Probably makes it easier. You hold it for 30 seconds and it is on good. I'll do my other side. Hold it down for 30 seconds. Hold it in place. Now I'm going to re-put some more glue on the bottom and the other side, and then just fold my box closed. Gently fold your box in. Line it up. You have a few seconds to get it in place before it starts setting. And now you have a really good sturdy box. decorate my box, I used paper from the element sheet and a chipboard frame from the collection. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on the back of my frame. Stick my paper in place. Add a little more adhesive. And I'm going to place it on the front of the box. Like this. Hold it in place for 30 seconds to make sure that it's good and stuck, or it sticks well. And that's the beginning of your box. Then we're going to have to decorate a little bit more than that. Now I used a few stickers from the sticker collection. And a tip that I learned from Mrs. Grossman, if any of you remember Mrs. Grossman stickers from a long time ago, is a great way to make a sticker into a die cut is take the sticker, put a little baby powder on the back of the sticker, brush off the excess, and the baby powder takes away the adhesive, and now my sticker is a die cut. Alright, to decorate the box, I used a few of the stickers. I'm going to stick this underneath using a tape runner. There we go. I'm going to add foam dots to the back of my stickers that I made into die cuts so that I can have more dimension. Place that over your frame. I have another greeting that I put onto the bottom. It says Happy Holidays. And to make it a little bit more fun, I added a little paper poinsettia. Let's see where's the best place to put that. And the box is done. Now the box wouldn't be complete without something to put in the box. So I decided to make just a simple notepad using paper. I picked these up at the dollar store, real easy, inexpensive. What I did, I took a piece of cardstock. The cardstock is 1 3/4 by 5 inches, and you're going to score it on the 3/4 inch line, and the 1 inch line, which gives you a 1/4 inch fold on the inside. Then all I do is put tape on the inside. I line up that scored piece on the top of my notepad. Then, to make things fast and easy, I cut a piece of decorative scrapbook paper that fits the size of my notepad, which is 5 by 8. I added an extra strip of paper on the top, added some more stickers and some paper from the Elements collection. I tied it with a ribbon, added a little greenery, and a little ornament. Little tag is popped up with dimensional tabs. Now also I made a little book. These are great for keeping track of your Christmas gifts, things that you have to remember during the holidays. Just simple little layering. sticker that I made into a die cut and I mounted with the foam, and a little twine around the top. These little books are super inexpensive. I found a pack of I think 50 on Amazon for just not very many dollars. So to put it together, you're going to need, you have your notepad, you have your small little book, and you'll need a matching red pen. Maybe if you feel generous, a few finished cards. You stick that in the back. And a little holiday pick to finish it off. And there is your project. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.